Hi students, today we're going to work on exercise 2 assignment. Um, this assignment is to combine a few animals together using masks. Um, so I have this, I started working on this. I've got this bear that I used before, and notice I've masked out the lion, and I'm just blending his fur in by just lowering the opacity of the eraser, and you could see how it's kind of blending with the background. So basically, when you import an image into Photoshop by dragging it, so let's see if I can find, I want to find a tail. Let's see. Tiger's tail. Okay, maybe I can use this tail here. So let me drag this on the desktop. And when I drag it into here, you cannot adjust this layer unless you go to click on here, right click on the layer and go to rasterize layer. See, so now the layer is rasterized for me to edit, and now I can do my layer masking, my selection mask. Oops. So So there we go. We have it selected, and I'm just gonna delete that. And well, the tail is going over, but you get the idea. So I'm going to change the color of that tail and make it darker so it matches. So that is what you're trying to do. So grab a couple animal files and put them all together. Remember, when you import them, you right click and rasterize layer. Rasterized layer is really important. But to have fun with this, just uh, you know, grab a couple animal files from Google. The best resolution is over 2,000 pixels or 1,600 pixels wide. so that you don't have any pixelation when you send me the file. So if you have any questions, please let me know. And this will also, the assignment will be listed on the website as well. Okay.